Okay, so the best pizza in Italy. What on earth is this? Did we get scammed again? Yeah, train station's crazy. Okay, so we're just at the Pompeii ruins and we're gonna get a train into Naples. And there's Vesuvius. Alright, so we just got off the train in central Naples. We got passport checked by police. And now we're in a little market area. Look at this. Got some bags. Look at these though. Look at these buildings here. Crazy, right? Wow. We're gonna see what there is to do, see what there is to find. Not really sure. This looks like a bit of a market avenue, so we'll go from there. Look at this, look. Have you ever seen that before? Look at the size of this lemon. Look. Sorry. Here we go. More sugar. More sugar. Good?
I took all the sugar in my mouth.
Bellissimo. There's a lot of little shops around here, so I picked up some of these. Pretty good actually. I don't know where they're from. Oh, look at this. Napoli. Looks like Chinatown, but more Italian. Oh, there those shops, look. Full of little discount trinkets. Mostly snacks, if you get hungry. Unbelievable, look at this. Oh, ouch. Look at these made of wood. How crazy is that?
I have a small one of these, Jack. Of these? Oh, like a stack of them? Who made it? Oh, this person? Any of this for €1?
€1?
Yeah, look, it says here
Wow.
€1.
It's actually very cheap. Naples, who would have known? Check this out. Spaghetti takeaway. Okay, so this is the 23rd best pizza place in 2023. What do you think? Okay.
It tastes like pizza.
The pizza is good. It's fresh.
Bellissimo, bellissimo, bellissimo. Wow, it's alright actually.
The guy that just asked you for money came back because the ground started foaming out of his mouth.
Just soaking in the real Italian food and drinks here.
3 euro.
Wow. Endless shops here, it seems. Oh, we're out of the city now, and this is the seafront in Naples. You can see the cruise ships coming and going. Very big harbour port. We can see Mount Vesuvius there in the background. Looks very nice. It kind of dominates the skyline there. And, well, I imagine some overpriced restaurants as well. They've been diving for things. He's got some shellfish. He's got a big fish. And yeah. Oh, he's gonna go get some more. Wow. Okay, apparently this is the best pizza in Italy, or the second best in the world, after a random place in New York. It's not even open yet, and there's people waiting outside, so we're gonna give it a go. Well, and see what it's like, and finish our day in Naples here. Okay, Michael Jackson, wow. Wow, does it live up to the hype? I'm not sure. Let's find out. Oh look, there's a dedicated pizza kitchen here. Wow, what is this? So, no menus, but this is a rough pricing there. Well, yes, yeah. Okay, so the best pizza in Italy. What on earth is this? Did we get scammed again? Potato chips. It is a potato chip. Are they hot dogs? Yeah, you have hot dogs. We've been scammed. Oh no, damn it. Well, the second pizza they brought out looks a bit more legit. We've got artichoke hearts, mushrooms, bacon. There's my hand. And it's 12 euros. But that one, I don't know what's going on with that party pizza over there.
This is 8.50.
Okay. Hot dogs. Ah, that looks good though. Really good. Okay, that was the best pizza in Italy. Alright. Well, let's move on. Well, that was a day out in Naples. Naples, Italy. What did you guys think? Did you have a good time? And what did you think of that kid's pizza? Unbelievable. Okay, well, at least you don't have to pay €3 for a table in McDonald's, right? Oh boy.